नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका हमारा जिंदगी में स्वागत है।
No. No, yes. Come get ready. Oh my God, look at this guy. He's like, see, this is the girl. He's like, I want to get ready first before I start the vlog. And it's 5 o'clock already. Don't be mean. Today is a lazy day. Come. बाद में पूजा में भी जाना ना अपने को, नवरात्रा पूजा. Get ready fast. Go. Good girl. You're a good girl. Okay guys, so actually what happened, like today was our lazy day. We both woke up like, we were like, I don't know why, but some days are like, when you're literally super late.
We both woke up late. That's not true. I woke up at 6:30.
Yeah, but then you edit the video, you uploaded it, and then you slept again. so we were both like, we were taking the afternoon nap, and then we were like both on our phones.
And then I cleaned the whole house.
Then Julie cleaned the whole house. Yeah, that's a good job by you. Thank you so much for cleaning the house. And बाकी अभी 5 बज गए हैं और अभी प्लान तो यही है कि हमारा कोई प्लान नहीं है, पता नहीं क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है, लेकिन आज
हमारे पास एक प्लान.
प्लान ये है कि थोड़ा एक प्लान है कि नीचे सोसाइटी से थोड़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन आई है कि नवरात्रा आज जो अष्टमी का दिन है तो वहाँ पे थोड़ी पूजा वगैरह होगी तो वो अटेंड करेंगे, लेकिन हो सकता है कि शायद ओनली वुमेन्स आर अलाउड देयर. I don't know. Like last time on Tees, there were like only women's, but this time we'll see. We'll go there and see. देखते हैं. What do you go and get ready first? Yeah. सोनू भी इधर आज तो दुबक के बैठा है, अंदर सोया हुआ है. नींद हुई पूरी आपकी आज? हैं? आज पूरा का पूरा घर वाले सबके सब सो रहे हैं ना. तू सो गया, मैं सो गया, जूली भी सोगी. हाँ?
1 hour later.
Arjun is dressing up Sonu right now.
I wanna go out, but without anything.
You wanna go out naked? We don't go out naked. Anyway, so I'm ready now, finally. Arjun had to kick my ass, but yeah, I'm ready. So we're gonna go out, have a walk with Sonu, and then later on there's gonna be a big celebration.
Running away from me. Look, come back out. Sonu!
We're actually doing the potty training right now with Sonu. Kyunki, we were like totally lazy. We thought, oh yeah, it's gonna solve by itself. Like, we didn't thought through it that we actually have to go every hour, even every 30 minutes with Sonu outside. So now we're gonna do that, and I think in 2 weeks it's gonna be fine. Hopefully. By the way, happy Ashtami guys! Arjun actually has mentioned earlier, मुझे लगता है ये एक festival लड़की, सिर्फ लड़की के लिए, लेकिन देखते हैं. We're gonna see.
It just depends on these people, like the organizer. Yeah. So like if they will allow me, I will of course be there. पता नहीं. चले बाहर. Chale, you wanna go out? Are you ready? Are you ready? No, you are not ready? Oh, you are sitting on the door next to him. Look at this. He's like, let's go out. Oh, you wanna go out too? Really? Chale bahar. Chaliye. So. और ये टाइटैनिक है. चलो जल्दी चलो. Oh no, it's always like this. Look at him. Chalo.
I'm done looking over my shoulder. It's past time, won't help me getting over it. I don't know what I'm bringing in closer. Yeah, I'm looking ahead, looking out for someone like you. Maybe someday when I've grown older.
By the way, dosto, one thing we really want to say is a big बहुत बड़ा shout out, thank you
for all the support.
Yes, this is incredible. I would have never believed that. Like literally every second comment is like, guys, we support you. Guys, you have our full support. Guys, our video make us happy. Like, this is so incredible. I was reading the comments and I had like tears of happiness in my eyes. I was like, oh my God, guys, I love you so much. This is so crazy. It's like a whole team behind us. We are so happy, so incredible happy.
Thank you so much.
I don't know, I don't have words. Like, this is the most happiness I can get, that I get this much good feedback, that you guys are behind us when we are in trouble, and that you protect us. Like, this is incredible. I could have never imagined that. Thank you so much.
And actually guys, me and Julie just were talking, like, you know, today we are like so happy, like there's another level of
vibe in the air.
Yeah, like love in the air or something like this. There's a vibe and there's, like, you know, another level of happiness. I cannot explain in the words, but we are so happy today.
मुझे लगता है आप लोग के लिए.
आप लोगों की वजह से, क्योंकि आपने इतना सपोर्ट किया ना, इसलिए.
It really means a lot to us. Like, we cannot say it much enough. It's like, it feels like family. Like, it doesn't feel like YouTube anymore. It feels like we are all together somehow. That is so great. Just to actually, they are building a temple right now.
It's
a mandir.
Shiva temple.
A Shiva temple.
Yes.
Oh, wow. I didn't know that. That makes me more happy. That is cool. Okay, so they're building right now a Shiva temple, and it's pretty fast. Like, it's going so fast ahead.
We were away on the tour, no, for 12 days, so they built it like really fast. In those days.
Yeah, maybe we missed the time. But anyway, we are like so excited for that, because then we have a temple in our home. That means we can go whenever we want to pray, to do our puja. That's really, that's really nice. Construction going on. That is so incredible how they do it by themselves. Like, it looks so beautiful. They are so creative.
आप जानते तो ये भी जानता होगा.
हाँ, मुझे जानता है. मुझे जानता है.
वो कुशु.
रात में देखा था आपको ऊपर से. आप चला रही थी.
अच्छा. Sonu. No. Say hi to Paya. Do you know that actually people were asking for you in the video? They were, when are we going to see Payal again?
Right now, I'm here. Actually, I was busy in the studies.
Yes, she's studying, so she's super busy. It's a busy bee.
No, I'm not.
सोनू. जूली की धोती पहनेगा. जूली क्या धोती नहीं, साड़ी.
It's not a sari, it's a lehenga.
Oh. Same.
No.
Same.
No.
Blah, blah, blah. सोनू, मास्टर साहब आगे तुम्हारे स्कूल की क्लास लगेगी अब रोज. So he is just monitoring him मुझे स्कूल नहीं जाना. मास्टर साहब मुझको मारते हैं. मामा स्कूल नहीं जाना. ये क्या है? ये कौन है? क्यों हो रहा है मेरे साथ? So this is Julie's outfit for today. Yay!
Payal se.
Actually,
ye mera nahi hai.
So okay, chale.
Chale.
And this is my outfit. So again, I'm just wearing a kurta and shorts, like always.
Yeah, like always. So I was just wondering that why crop tops, like tops up till here, are not nice in Indian society, but this one, which is like shorter than a bra, and you see eventually everything is like, okay, this is Indian culture. That's just one time.
That's the tradition. That's our tradition. This is our Indian culture.
Okay दोस्तों, ये actually बहुत embarrassing है. हम लगता था ये एक फेस्टिवल है, like एक celebration नवरात्रि के लिए.
Actually शंकरी ने हमारा काट दिया, पोपट कर दिया.
हमारा दोस्त शंकरी, वो बोला था
If you're watching the video now, like, you know, you wasted Julie's 10 minutes for getting ready my perfume, my kurta, and it's okay.
Maybe we are in the wrong place. I don't know.
No, it's not the wrong place. Actually, basically, like every festival is celebrated here, like, you know, on the like Independence Day, and every, like, you know, Tees
There's
was.
nothing.
Yeah, I know.
Maybe we should go somewhere else in Jaipur then.
Then somewhere else. I don't know where. That's the point. Let's go home. Get undressed.
Yeah.
Hi.
How are you?
We are good.
बहुत बढ़िया. Actually हम लगता था वहाँ celebration है, पूजा.
नहीं, actually वो डांडिया का function कल है actually.
कल है? Okay, so we got a new information tomorrow. Oh. So कल के दिन होगा हमारा डांडिया का फेस्टिवल. So कल का वीडियो आपको जरूर देखना होगा. अभी मैं थोड़ी फोटो खींचते हैं, फिर ऊपर जाके कुछ खाना वाना खाते हैं. ओके गाइस, तो फोटो हमारी हो गई है, लेकिन बहुत बड़ा पोपट कट गया हमारा। लेकिन एक बात का चलो पता चले, पोपट इज लाइक आई डोंट नो, आई कैन नॉट एक्सप्लेन इट इन इंडियन वर्ड, लाइक व्हेन यू वांट
and I'm always wondering what it is.
okay, when you want to do something and the thing doesn't happen, it's like पोपट कट गया।
Puppet kar gaya.
yeah, पोपट कट गया।
Cut kiya.
या सो हमारा पोपट कट गया बहुत बड़ा वाला। लेकिन एक बात का चलो ठीक ही फ़ायदा हो गया, क्योंकि कल का जो डांडिया प्रोग्राम है उसका हमको न्यूज़ मिल गई अच्छी कि कल प्रोग्राम होगा, तो कल उधर जाएंगे हम। तो लेट्स सी टुमारो।
So Arjun is now back at home and he brought his lemons. He wanted to show me his magic trick.
That's the magic trick, hypnotizing.
Anyways, Arjun is back and he took some Burger King.
If you can eat with the king, why you should eat with the clown?